What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you two of the best trading platforms out there that you could use with your online trading. I'm a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking out StoicFX and Exness in this video, and I'll also tell you my thoughts on that one and the things that I feel you guys need to know about them. So StoicFX and Exness basically are two prominent players in the forex trading industry, but StoicFX, in my honest opinion, guys, distinguishes itself through its boutique, client-focused approach and enhanced transparency. Now, while Exness is a well-established broker with a global presence and a wide range of instruments, it often caters to the mass market needs, which it can lead to less personalized service and slower response time. But in contrast, StoicFX positions itself as a premium service provider that is offering tailored solutions, faster execution, and a much more direct to institutional grade liquidity. And guys, one of StoicFX's key advantages lies in its commitment to providing a simplified yet super powerful trading environment with tight spreads and no hidden fees, which is often cited as a pain point among Exness users. So furthermore, guys, StoicFX also emphasizes trader education and support. It offers hands-on account management and accessible customer service, setting it apart from the automated and impersonal systems that is found in its competitor for today's video. And guys, while Exness boasts a larger trading volume and more platform integrations, these benefits are sometimes offset by higher account minimums and complex fee structures. Of course, if they have a lot of information, a lot of tools, a lot of different stuff in their platform, it means that they would need to be compensated for them to be able to sustain those tools and continuously upgrade, right? Now, StoicFX, on the other hand, prioritizes transparency, which also ensures the clients fully understand their trading costs and their strategies. That way they could, plan out all their transactions and all their trades in their account. Now, the broker's intuitive platform and the personalized onboarding also appeal strongly to both the beginners and the experienced traders that are seeking reliability and trust in their platform. So in summary, guys, while Exness provides scale and variety, StoicFX offers a more focused client-first experience that values trust, performance, and simplicity, which makes it a preferred choice for traders who are seeking more than just the trading account. Now, I would, of course, encourage you to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions on which trading platform you will be using for all your trading needs. Now, here in StoicFX's website, guys, you could hover over your mouse in trading, and if you hover over your platforms right there, you have the MT5, and they also offer web trader. So you also have the copy trade right here. And the other thing that I also like about StoicFX is that they also have their copy trade feature that you could use. And that would definitely be very, very beneficial for beginners and also the experienced traders, because it also helps, for an experienced trader to have like a comparison to verify if what he did is something that is also the one that the experienced trader with StoicFX has also done, right? Now, you also have more information right here. You have the affiliate, the liquidity, stoicism, okay? Stoic philosophy, notables. So you have their stoicism here as well. And of course, their help center. So you could also go ahead and get in touch with their account managers if you have any questions or whatsoever with StoicFX. And of course, guys, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.